Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am doing a back to basics tutorial and I will be going over how to create a slip knot and how to begin chaining your crochet projects. So this is for the absolute beginner. Welcome to my channel and I hope this video helps. So to get started, what you're going to want is a yarn of choice, doesn't matter, and a crochet hook. So what you want to do, since we're just beginning, you can lay your yarn over your hand like so, leaving a decent amount of tail. You don't need a whole lot, but since you're just starting out, we're going to leave a decent amount like this. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm going to bring this tail up and over my hand so that I am making a loop that goes over my knuckles. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this loop off of my hand and I am going to bring my tail behind the loop so that it goes across my little circle horizontally. It should look like this. Some people call it a Susie Q. Alright, and then you're going to take your crochet hook, however you hold it, and you're going to put your hook underneath that horizontal yarn right there, and then you are going to just hold that tail and your working yarn and you're going to pull a loop like this, and then you can pull on the tail to adjust the size of that slip knot. But this is how you make a slip knot. Alright, and this is how you start off a lot of crochet projects. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to chain. Now that we have established our slip knot, what I want to do is yarn over. So that is placing the yarn over my hook, and you're going to end up twisting your hook to pull that loop through, and that has created what we call a chain. So I have chained one. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Make sure that yarn goes behind and over your hook. Yarn over, that's what it's called, and we're going to pull through that second loop. So now we have chained two. And you just keep doing that same motion until you have the desired length or width of the project you are starting. And that is how you chain in crochet. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content. I will be sporadically doing this back to basics series throughout the season, so please stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat, so I have a little something out there for everyone. Feel free to join the crafty family. And until next time, guys, happy making.